Hi guys, it's me here Chocolate Madness and today I'm going to do a short tutorial on pictoblox. Today I will show you how to make a timetables game. So I will write here timetable game. I don't want Toby, so we're gonna delete him. Gonna click the bear and I want a fairy. I put a fairy here. I'm gonna write here 90. And then here I'm gonna go to backdrop and select a backdrop which will what about we click indoors? Chalkboard. What about we write here chalkboard? Yes, here we got it. Now we're gonna go to its costume. You can till here it is your choice. I'm gonna do this and then group all of them and then flip them horizontally and put them here. Now I am going to delete the rest of the costumes. I want to keep Fairy C. I'm gonna go here this bear plus to the costume. I'm gonna here write I'm gonna go to fashion. Hello fashion. We need to do it again. I'm gonna do this and then group all of this, then copy it. I will group all of this, then Control C, and here I will Control C, then copy, 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 copy. This fairy is fine. Then I'm gonna go to blocks. I'm gonna put her here. I will just close this. Then when green flag is clicked. This time we need two extensions. We're gonna take a text to speech extension, text to speech extension, and music. Or no, we only need text to speech. When green flag is clicked, we're going to make a variable of a. We can make any type of variable, but I made it a. I'm gonna delete my variable. I'm gonna set a to 1. Then I will make a list which will be table. Table. So sorry, not delete table list. I'm gonna make a list table. I accidentally wrote something else. I'm gonna do delete all of table. Green flag is clicked. Then I am going to set voice to auto. Then I am going to do speak. Which table do you want to learn? Which table do you want to learn? And then in the end I am going to put a question mark. Where I'm going to click Control and then copy paste it. Then I am going to sensing category, then put ask this and Control V. Done. Now we're gonna go to Control and take repeat 10, and then we're gonna go to variables again, and we're gonna add thing to table thing. But now here comes the hard part. We're gonna go to operators, join, we need four joins. One, two, we're gonna leave the first blank and put it in the second, and we're gonna left this blank, put it in here. We're gonna leave this blank. Then gonna put no, we're gonna put another join one. Then we're gonna put here a multiplication one. Now we're gonna go to now sensing category, and then I'm gonna take answer, then put it here. Then we're gonna join x. Then I'm gonna pick our variable, which is a, and then join. Oh, here we're gonna do join a, then equals to sign. Then we're gonna put here answer again, and then we're gonna put our variable. Now we're gonna duplicate it and put this here, and then we're gonna go to text to speech again, and I will make it speak all of this again. And then I'm gonna scroll down a bit. Now I'm gonna go to variables again. Change a by 1. Then I will make it wait 1 second. Then now this is our last things that we need to put. Speak and set voice to. Here I'm gonna write thank you for learning with me. Now for the output. What about I write 12? We're gonna save it.